Morning devotion for January 5th, and it's Accept Yourself. John chapter 6, verse 37. All that the Father gives me will come to me, and whoever comes to me I will never cast out. 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 4. Since everything God created is good, we should not reject any of it, but receive it with thanks. Matthew chapter 10, verse 40. Anyone who welcomes you welcomes me, and anyone who welcomes me welcomes the one who sent me. Romans chapter 14, verse 1. Accept other believers who are weak in faith, and don't argue with them about what they think is right or wrong. Romans chapter 15, verse 7. Accept one another, then just as Christ accepted you, in order to bring praise to God. 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 3 and 4. Your beauty should not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, the unfolding beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. And at the bottom it says, acceptance is one of our most basic emotional needs. That feeling of belonging, that you fit in, and that your own footsteps are important. Start today with self-acceptance. Before you accept the woman in the mirror, you will not believe other people or even those closest to your heart. You can be sure that God accepts you through Jesus, just the way you are, with all your baggage, and from there, He will begin to work on your troubles. And that's our morning devotion for January 5th. Love you guys. And I will get a video out today, I promise. I will get one out today for you. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.